Okay, good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, you see, today, people obsess with what I look like, and me I go on a video where me look like, I saw me look. You understand? And time to time, me I go drop some live thing for you, so you can see what countryman look like. Okay. With that said, we are going to talk about a special subject today, and that subject, believe me, it can make some people cry. And with that said, one more thing. You see that special subject? It's related to a man of the law. So he is a police officer. Let's go.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel worldwide, cover the world, international. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger they a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger they a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make enough sloppy. Him love step him can't settle him feet. Ring gobble and them a call police. St. Lucia, people in my band for peace. Over Trinidad, Belize is a fucking beast. Fucking beast. Fucking countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. Your mother vlogger they a bitch and fag.
Well, now, only hear me talk about certain subject from the channel here all the time. There's one thing me definitely don't support, and it is homosexuality. And it seems like in St. Lucia there is a lot of that running around. The same thing when we talk about all the time, and the same thing happening in St. Lucia. The man them will have money and have business and live uptown. Them come downtown and them fuck off a little youth them. And there is nobody to defend them. These men, like this policeman I am gonna talk about, me I show him, you know. Him definitely have a girlfriend or probably a wife. But guess what? Him love little boys. Now, you see this policeman here, him go by the name Shane Paul, and my intel tell me say him have a big secret, and him know how to hide it. Him is the biggest bulla man in a St. Lucia. Now, for those of you who's been around for a long time, if you remember in the media in about 2000, around about 2008, a policeman, you know, was caught on a beach with a young boy undressed, an underage young man in his car, and for some reason he ended up winning that case because he could not explain how that young man got into his car, and I am going to use the word underdress. Now, right now, he's involved in a lot of security because this policeman here, him have a security company, and people use him to obviously do security Now, you see this policeman, yeah? Him, along with the security guard company him have. Him have the gross isolate police station. He has the contract for that. But one of the most puzzling thing, you know, one of the most puzzling thing about this police boy, Shane Paul, this policeman is pure young youth him have working for them. And what my intel tell me is that he's actually sleeping with them. I want you guys to take a look at some of these guys right here that I am showing their pictures. These are some of the young men. I'm gonna try and break it down as best as possible. Let's go. Now, that one here, him named Junior Dog Mouth. And you see him, I figure do a special video on him. But him definitely one of the policeman boyfriend. But one of the things when me I try understand, how come this police boy him not have no females working for him? It's just straight man, and all of the man them are some young youth. So this one you so now, him name Kevin. And you see the boy Kevin, him go both ways. Him go both female and him go both male, and him definitely fuck with the policeman. Yo, you know, me have a brother, and my brother more time him go through certain islands, and you know say him tell me say, Countryman, you know say most of the youth in a St. Lucia fag, and enough of them dead. Any man where you see have things, man I feel fuck them, you know. And yo, me Countryman, I couldn't believe that. So I said to myself, me I go do some research. When you know say me are the research king. Now, this man, no, you see that one here? Him name Nehemiah, you know. You understand? And you see him there prison right now. But one thing you know, me can't tell if him directly fuck with Shane Paul, the nasty police boy. Everybody know this, you know. The only thing is me I put it out there and me I talk about it. You see Nehemiah the boy, yeah? Him. The one there. The one there. The one here. Play me a play with you now. See him? The one there. You see him? Him there prison for shoot somebody. And when my intel tell me say, him definitely gay. So you see, enough of them youth here, when them go prison, it's their home. They feel very comfortable. Him are one of them there who go to prison and feel comfortable about it. Before I go, you understand? Me I talk to you. Me I talk to you. You see, the reason why me do this is to help people. Enough of you obsessed with me now. You don't want to know what me look like. You see what me look like now. I saw me look. But beyond that, throughout doing this vlog thing, the most pushback me ever get is from St. Lucia. And you see, because of that, I'm not gonna stop hear my blood clot out. Another thing, you see, when it comes to homosexuality, fire burn pan it. But the biggest fire burn, is like the boy them like Shane Paul, police boy Shane Paul. Them have money, And if you true them have money, them come down in a ghetto and them broke out the little youth them and do all sort of things to them. That's why the youth them so disturbed. And you see, St. Lucia is a unique place because we know say Jamaica brawling. You have all a Batman community at Jamaica. And everybody see the documentary where them live underneath the gully. You understand? Up in a New Kingston, Arthur Tree side, where Jamin tell you see the digital. But you see St. Lucia, you don't see none of that. And you see the fact that you don't see none of that, make it even more dangerous and more vicious in the Bullerman world, in the Batman world. And hell and powder house for the youth them down there. For the youth them broke, them poor, them family now have nothing. And guess what? A boy like Shane can just come in and fuck off the youth them and nothing come out right. Really, really sick and sad. Yeah, I want to stay tuned, cause it's a new and improved Countryman, and we'll heap more videos to come. And big up all of the subscribers them and all of the listeners. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.